We got the cheesy nugget gravy bowl, and we got the spicy chicken bowl from KFC. I think Natty got this and inspired by him. I think he's a YouTuber and stuff. So we're gonna try to open him up. Okay. We got the cheese curds. We got the chicken nuggets. Got some fries and some gravy. Let's give it a bussin'. Alright, let's dive in real quick. Hair messed up. Had a hat on and stuff. Let's try boom, boom, bang, boom, boom. And try the cheese curd with the gravy. Let's see. Got some nice flavor to it, y'all. And cheese curd is out of this world. It smells good, man. You can buy it by himself. Yep. It's got a fry. Alright, alright. Stop playing. Oh. Let me get some piece of chicken. Now, I don't like the nuggets, man, but we're gonna try it anyway. Real talk, on a scale from 1 to 10, a 9. These mother's busting. Busting. We got the other one, y'all. I'm still eating the last one. It's a spicy one. Oh. Oh. Sit. Alright, try the spicy one. It might need some salt on it. The mac and cheese is like, I don't know, but I'm like, I like the mac and cheese, man. But it's kind of good, kind of creamy. I'm gonna lie. A little creamy. A little chicken on it.
That was a good piece. Just a whole piece in your mouth. Spice is probably better than the regular ones.
Damn. It's hot. It's hot. So, is this one better or this one? I don't know, man. This one is a 9. This is like a 8. Excellent. $5 for each. Can't beat it, bro.